Sai Ram children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 15, Introduction to Graphs. This is the last chapter of your syllabus. Let's start with exercise 15.1. See children, in this exercise we are going to read the graph. We are not going to make the graph, we are going to read the graph only. Okay, so like this graph is given to you, you have to observe this graph and we need to answer the following question based on that. See, what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? See, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, so this x-axis is time and y-axis represent temperature. So what was the patient temperature at 1 p.m.? So 1 p.m. is here. So let's see the dot of this. So this dot represents the temperature of the patient at 1 p.m. So move towards this direction. So it is between 36 and 37. It gives you 36.5 degrees Celsius. So in this way we can read the graph. Okay, so answer of the first part will be 36.5 degrees Celsius. Now B part is, when was the patient's temperature? 38.5. So temperature is at in this direction, so 38.5, 38 and 39, between 38 and 39, 38.5 will be there. So this will be your 38.5. So move in this direction, it is touching at this point. Okay, now move in the downward direction, which gives you time. So this is touching at x-axis at 12 noon. So answer of the B part will be 12 p.m. or we can say that 12 noon. Okay, getting my point? Now we are having few more questions. Let's see that. Question is, the patient temperature was same 2 times during the period given. What were these 2 times? So we need to check when the patient temperature is same. So if we notice the graph, temperature is same here. Okay, so move toward the downward direction, it means both lines are touching at 1 and so both points are 1, 2, 2. Okay, so between 1 to 2 p.m. temperature is constant, that is means same temperature is there. Okay, let's see the D part. D part is, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m. and how do you arrived at your answer? So 1:30 p.m. we need to see. So between 1 and 2, 1:30 p.m. will be there. Okay, that is natural. Then move towards the upward direction. The moment this extended line touch this line, pointed down and move toward the left side, so you will get the answer. So answer will be 36.5. so at 1:30 temperature will be 36.5. okay, then E part is, during which period did the patient temperature showed an upward trend? So when patient is showing the temperature is increasing. So if you notice here temperature is 35.5, then here temperature is 36, then here temperature is 39. So this point 39 temperature is there, this point 36 temperature is there, this point is 35.5. so if you notice that in these 3 point temperature is increased in the upward direction, after that temperature is falling down. Okay, so concentrate on these 3 points. Let's see the time period. So if we see time period is 11, if we extend this line in the downward direction, time period is 9. So we can say that temperature is moving in the upward trend between the time period of 9 to 11 a.m. Okay, getting my point. Now let's move to the next question. Next question we are having, the following line graph shows the yearly sales figure for manufacturing company. What were the sales in 2002 and 2006? So we are having this graph. So in this direction years are there, in this direction sales in crores are there. So what were the sales in 2002 and 2006? Okay, so 2002 and 2006. 2002, if we notice, 4 crore sales is there. In 2002, how much sale is there? 4 crores. Okay, in 2006, how much sale is there? This 8 crores. In 2006, 8 crore sale is there. So what we need to do, we need to observe the graph and we need to give the answers. Okay, let's see the B part now. What were the sales in 2003? In 2003, sale is this. So extend this line in this direction. So between 6 and 8, 7 is there. It means in 2003, 7 crore sales is there. In 2005, how much sale is there? 10. In 2005, 10 crore sale is there. Okay, now let's see the C part. C part is compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. Okay, so in 2002, if we concentrate, 2002 sales is 4 crore, and in 2006 is sales is 8 crores. Okay, so in 2000 sale is 4 crore and 2006 sale is 8 crore. So we need to find the difference. So difference is 8 minus 4, it means 4 crore. Okay, 4 crore difference is there. Now let's see the D part, in which the year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to the previous year. Now we have to find out the how much difference is there between the previous year. So between 2002 and 2003 line is this much. Between 2003 and 2004 line is this much. So between 2005 to 2004 to 2005 line is much greater. It means difference will be more in this particular portion. Between 2004 and 2005 difference will be more, because we are able to see on the graph line is very big. So means 10 minus 6 gives you 4. So 4 crore difference is there between 2004 and 2005. So we have to observe the graph very carefully. After that we need to give the answer. Okay, then let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is, now in this question we are having graph in which two data is representing, data of plant A and data of plant B. Okay, so we are having different lines. So in question number 3, okay, so data of plant A data is represented by the dotted line, and plant B is data represented by this full line. Okay, now how high was plant A after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, how much high plant A is there? So plant A is represented by the dotted line. So plant dotted line 2 weeks here. So it will be 7 centimeter it will high. After 3 weeks, how much it is high? 3 weeks here, it means 9 centimeter. Okay, then next part is, how high was plant B after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, plant A and plant B both are lying at the same, so answer will be 7 centimeter. And after 3 weeks, plant B will be at 10 centimeter. Okay, now third is, how much did plant A grow during the third week? Third week, how much plant A is grown? So at 3, it's after 3 weeks 10 centimeter. So in the second week was 7. So 10 minus 7, answer will be, no, we are talking about plant A. So plant A is 9, sorry. 9 minus 7 is 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter will be the answer. Plant A grow in the third week. Because in the third week, uh, plant A is 9 centimeter high, and in the second week plant A was 7 centimeter. So we need to find out the difference. So we have to subtract it. 9 minus 7, that is 2. Okay. Now how much did the plant grow from the end of the 2 week to the end of the 3 week? What we need to find the end of 2 week. End of 2 week, plant B is at 7. End of third week, plant B is at 10. Okay, so now 10 minus 7 means 3 centimeter. So difference will be 3 centimeter. Okay, let's find out the E solution. During which week did plant A grow most? So between 0 to 1, plant A has been grow 2 centimeter. Between 1 to 2, from 2 centimeter to 7 centimeter it will grow. So in the second week, during the second week, plant A grow has been very high. Okay, during which week did the plant B grow least? Plant B grow least during the first week. Okay, now where were the two plants of the same height during any week shown here? So at which place, at how much, at which week the plants are having the same height? So during the second week they are having the same height, because see, concentrate here, in this point plant A and plant B both are lying. So we can say that G question we are answering right now. So at second week, plant A and plant B growth are same. Okay, now let's move to the next question, question number 4. So this question I am giving you homework. In this we are having forecast temperature and actual temperature. Okay, forecast temperature is depicting with the help of the dotted line, and actual temperature is depicted with the straight line. So forecast means the temperature is forecasted by the scientist. Okay, and actual means that particular day that temperature will be there. Okay, so we have to find out the answer of the following question. So this question is homework for you. Let's move to the sixth question. Now sixth question is, a courier person cycled from a town to a neighboring suburban area to deliver a parcel to a merchant. His distance from the town at different time is shown by the graph. What is the scale taken for the time axis? Time axis, what scale they have taken? They have taken what is the scale taken by the time axis? Time axis taken the scale. Okay, now how much time did the person take to travel? How much time person take to travel? Then first question is, what is the scale taken for the time axis? 4 units represent 1 hour. Okay, how much time did the person take to travel? 3.5 hours person is taking for travel. Okay, then how far, how 3.5 hours? See how we are calculate 8 to 9 1 hour, 9 to 10 1 hour, 10 to 11 another hour. Now his journey is ending at this point. It means he is only traveling till 11:30. So between 8 to 11:30 total number of hours is 3 hours and half. Okay, now how far is the place of the merchant from the town? 22 kilometer. So 22 kilometer he has to move on. So he is far away 22 kilometer. Did the person stop on his way? At Yes, he has stopped, because at 9 a.m. he has traveled 16 kilometer, and at 10 he has traveled 16 kilometer, and at 10:30 also 16 kilometer is there. So it means no movement were there. It means he has stopped between 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So no traveling is there between these two time. Okay, now E is during which period did he ride fast? During which period did he ride the fast? So between 8 to 9 he has ride fast because he has covered 10 kilometers. Okay, so between 8 to 9 temperature he has traveled ride fast. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is question number 7. Can there be a time temperature graph as follow? Justify your answer. Okay, so we have to find out the among these four graph which all are representing time temperature graph, or any graph is not representing. Let's see. So in this we are talking about the first graph. In this, temperature is increasing at one temperature at one time. No, sorry, with time temperature is increasing, so this can be a time temperature graph. So second, in this with time temperature is decreasing. Okay, so this also be second part is also a time temperature graph. Third, not possible because at one time, see, at one time temperature is increasing, so at the same time different temperature cannot be possible, so this C graph cannot be represent time temperature graph. Okay, D part. So at different time same temperature can be possible. So same temperature is there at different time. So at different time same temperature is possible. So fourth part also can behave like a time temperature graph. Only third part cannot represent the time temperature graph. So with this, let's end this video, children. Our exercise 15.1 has been finished. In this exercise I have given one question you as a homework, and one question number 5 I have not discussed because I will take this question in the next video with 15.2 exercise. Till then, complete your work. Sai Ram.